I'm Rachel, and in this quick demo, you'll see how Diamon-Fusion Restoration makes your shower sparkle like new while protecting it for years to come. You've invested a great deal into heavy, beautiful shower doors, and after several years, they have lost their attractiveness. If you've ever looked at your shower doors and thought, why won't these spots come off? You're not alone. Hard water, soap scum, and years of use can make your glass look tired and dull. But what if I told you there's a way to bring it back to life in under 90 minutes without replacing a thing, and can keep it that way? In this video, we're showing the complete restoration of a large shower door, nearly 8 feet tall and over 7 feet wide. The process is filmed in time-lapse so you can see exactly how quickly the transformation happens. Instead of tearing out and replacing the enclosure, restoration brings the glass back to its original clarity at a fraction of the cost. This shower had more than 50 square feet of glass covered in water spots and buildup. In just over an hour, the installer cleaned, restored, and applied Diamon-Fusion protective coating. The result? A door that looks brand new without the expense, hassle, or mess of replacement. And here's the best part. Once treated, the glass resists future stains, spots, and buildup. That means less scrubbing, fewer harsh chemicals, and more time enjoying your bathroom instead of cleaning it. Restoration also helps protect your investment. By extending the life of your shower enclosure, you avoid costly replacements and keep your bathroom looking beautiful for years. The coating makes glass easier to clean, more hygienic, and far more durable against everyday wear. So whether your shower door is cloudy from years of use or you simply want to protect new glass, restoration is the smart choice. Fast, affordable, and designed to last. With Diamon-Fusion, you'll enjoy spotless glass, less cleaning, and lasting protection. Ready to see your glass sparkle again? Visit dfisolutions.com and ask your installer about restoration today.